Creating a poster is a creative process that involves designing a visual representation of information, an event, or an idea. Here's a concise guide. Define your purpose. Determine the purpose and message of your poster. Is it for advertising, informational, or artistic purposes? Choose the size and orientation. Select the poster's size and orientation. Common sizes include A3 or A2. Gather content. Collect all the text, images, and graphics you want to include on your poster. Ensure that your content is clear, concise, and relevant to your message. Select a design software. Use design software like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or free tools like Canva or Poster My Wall. Set dimensions. Create a new document in your chosen software with the dimensions you've selected. Design layout. Plan the layout of your poster, considering the placement of text, images, and other elements. Maintain a clear visual hierarchy. Add graphics and images. Insert images, graphics, and illustrations that complement your message. Ensure they are high resolution for print. Typography. Choose readable fonts and set appropriate font sizes. Use bold, italics, and different font styles for emphasis. Color scheme. Select a harmonious color scheme that aligns with your message. Use contrasting colors for text and background to enhance readability. Create a visual focal point. Highlight the most important element on your poster to draw viewers' attention. Proofread and edit. Carefully proofread your text for spelling and grammar errors. Edit your design for clarity and aesthetics. Export for printing. Save your poster design in a high-resolution format like PDF or JPEG to ensure it prints clearly. Print. Take your design to a professional printer or use a high-quality printer if your poster is small. Consider paper type and finish for the best results. Display. Finally, hang or display your poster in a location where your target audience will see it, whether at an event, in a classroom, or on a bulletin board.